Hey everybody, it's Neil and I've got some VNANV is the brand, I think, right? VNANV. And these says men's running shoes. And it says they are an 8.5, which is my size. Yes, I have small feet. Okay, so let's see here. It smells like tires. Okay, how can I get this out of here? There we go. So this is how they look. Comes with that. Is there anything in there? They've got that where it's connected for the tongue, which is really nice, so your tongue doesn't slip in. So these will be like slip-on kind of shoes. They look nice. I like them. I like the way they look. Let me see. There's a little piece of plastic in there covering the label. And so this is how they look here. And they've got this little sides here, which looks like it's breathable, because when I look inside, you can kind of see it through there. I could see the light through it. You guys won't because the light's coming in this direction, but you get the idea. It's got the little pull thing here, so you can pull it on. It's got the rubber thing here, so you can hang it up if you wanted to. And they seem pretty breathable, so let's try these on. These are definitely my size, so let me see. Let me put both of them on here so you guys can get an idea of how they look on a person. They might be a little slightly big, but I think once I tie the laces, they'll be good on me. So this is how they look here. Can you see them there? There we go, like that. So yeah, seem good. They have decent padding on the bottom. I would say they're kind of like a mid padding kind of ones. They're not super padding like a really heavy shoe, but they're not no padding like some of my other shoes. If they're for running, I don't think they would be the most comfortable, but for just tooling around and doing things around the house and everything like that, I think they look nice for some nice black shoes. I just needed some good black shoes, and these are nice black shoes. So I like these. These are super comfortable. They're easy to slip on and off. You can see there's lots of padding on the back here, which makes it really nice. There's the padding on the bottom too, so that it does make it comfortable. Yeah, and they're very well stitched and made. These are good, and they got nice solid bottom here. It's good. So it says designer VNANV, fashion running shoes. So I mean, I might try to run a little bit in it, but just around the block. I'm not gonna put miles and miles on these running on the street. But as far as just tooling around or something, these are great. So super comfortable and very, very good. I like these shoes. So these are great. I'm gonna be using them. Thumbs up.